Alright, so people asking me why I make so scary. Something's blinking under here. You have to change it. No word. People just asking me why I make so scary and creepy, angry robots. No, that's not true. They really have to change this. Nah, but no word. Really, people ask me about that. And WiNNiE. Is WiNNiE creepy? Is Eddie scary? Is they angry? It's not. That wasn't the idea. That wasn't the plan. I just tried to make funny robots and with different faces. Like all of people are. Everyone is different. Everyone looks different. Everyone acts different. And they are just ideas straight from my head. I just wake up one day, morning, evening, night. Like, oh, shit, I have an idea. Yeah, let's design it. And I design it. Like Eddie. Eddie, his face is maybe not the last one, but the faces before. They were different. That on the right side, okay, that was his first face. That was scary. On the left, I just get inspired by one of the favorite old movies, Hardware. That was the creepy one. But I give up and just try to find something like, some people will say that's not true, like a face, some kind of, like a WALL-E or Chappie or something. Like, try to just find the connection between the creepy movies, creepy robots, because that one's real. Something between Terminator and something between cartoons. I just try to find this connection and make, okay, alright, maybe a little bit creepy, but really funny robots. But they're funny. That was just, they're just ideas from my head. And they absolutely shouldn't be taken like angry or aggressive or with construction chaos outside. This is not, this just idea. They're quite fun, quite cool and fun. Okay, maybe they look a little bit hard, a little bit tough, like, but they are not. Absolutely, they inside, the code, the soul, the behaviors, they are really friendly, funny, and both of them, they can, you know, I have small dog, Yorkshire Terrier. My Norca, my dog, really love them. She can play with both of them. WiNNiE and Eddie, they like play with her also. They throw the ball, and she really love her. And so people shouldn't be afraid. This is some kind of fun, some kind of the like friendly but weird robots. They're absolutely not bad. They're really good guys.